Today, I'm going to show you how to use Forex Compounding Calculator on openchoiceai.com. So this tool I developed for you guys so that you can use it and you can control your psychology. Because in trading journey, to control your psychology is very important, key role to grow your career, right? So in this case, this tool is a perfect tool for you, which can control your psychology. So the main thing is that you have to control the trading, and how to control it. Once you get your profit, daily profit, stop trading. That is the main idea. So to do that, there should be a calculation in your mind. So let me walk through this application tool, how it is useful for you. So let's assume you have an initial investment of $100, and every day you want to earn 10% of the investment. So daily you are earning 10% for 30 days. Okay, let's calculate for 30 days. Don't calculate for 1 year, because it gives a huge amount, which is not, looks is very immense amount. So in this case, let's calculate for calculate returns. So here what it's doing, here it just calculates the return for 30 days. So how the calculation works here? So let me explain you with example. So how it is working, guys, here. So the initial capital, the main thing idea is here that initial investment, how much percentage you want to withdraw to this trading. This should be a frequency is a daily and number of days, for how many days you're going to do the trading. So you can select it and you can calculate the returns, right? So in this one, take an example. Let's assume you invested $100 first day, okay, and you gain $10 through the trading. So total amount is in your account is 110. So you got the profit of 10% here, right? Next day, your investment amount is 110. 11, you're going to get 10% of this profit, you will get $11 profit. So it will become 121. Total investment became for next day as $121. So second day, you are going to invest $121, you will get $12.10 as a profit. Third day, it will become total amount along with the investment is become 133.10. So likewise, if you keep on doing that with a discipline and by controlling your psychology, end of the month you are going to get 1644 profit, which is a huge amount, guys. So please follow this, use this tool openchoiceai.com, which is very useful for your trading journey to control the psychology. Thank you. Subscribe our channel. We are going to bring a lot of videos on this one. So much of tools, tips. Slowly, I'm developing the apps. So many apps here. So we are going to bring a lot of apps. Subscribe it for sure. You'll get benefit.